Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today's session will discuss about what is the difference between ECC and S4HANA. So please subscribe my channel SAP SD Training by Vaju. So we'll see what is the main difference between ECC versus S4HANA. So in ECC, we have the database like Oracle, DB2, SQL or any other database. Whereas in S4HANA, we will have database. Own SAP's database. So the database is SAP HANA. So SAP in 2011, they come up with a new database. They named it as a SAP HANA base. Prior to the 2011, SAP will go with either Oracle or DB2 or SQL, or we have any number of other databases. Okay. So the HANA, so SAP has come up with the HANA database in 2011. So the HANA stands for High Performance Analytical Appliances, whereas client server architecture in ECC, whereas in SAP S4HANA, we have in-memory database. In ECC, the primary user interface is GUI, whereas in SAP S4HANA, the primary user interface is Fiori. So what is the advantage? What is Fiori? We can post all our transactions on mobile as well as tabs. Whereas in ECC GUI, we can't post transactions on mobile and tabs. So here the material ledger is optional. Here the material ledger is mandatory. Whereas to upload the data, we will use LSNW, the primary data load tool. SAP S4HANA come up with LTMC. So the full form is Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit. So in ECC, we used to create the master data for customer, vendor, contact person, and credit master. In SAP S4HANA, there is no separate master data for customer master, vendor master, or if you want to create a contact person or credit master. SAP S4HANA, they have come up with the business partner. In ECC, we use output determination with the help of the T code NACE. In SAP S4HANA, output determination will move to BRF plus. In ECC, the material length was 18 characters. In SAP S4HANA, the material length was 40 characters. So they have increased the material length 18 characters to 40 characters. In ECC, to check the header status and item status, we used to use the T code BBUK and BBUP. Here in ECC, whereas in S4HANA, the BBUK and BBUP are eliminated. They move to the header tables, BBUK and BBUP. So you can find the header and item status in respect to BBUK and BBUP tables. In ECC, we will use pricing table KONV. Whereas in S4HANA, the table is eliminated and they come up with a new table called PRCD underscore elements. MB1C transaction is absolute. They come up with MyGo. The transaction will use to upload the stock posting is MyGo. VA05N is absolute. Come up with VA05. The material tables MARA, MARD, MARC. No need to find the material fields. No need to go for all these tables. The new table they have come up Markdown. In one table, you will find all these tables information, Markdown. So sales point of view, the condition table 501 to 999 in ECC. Whereas in S4HANA, they have increased the options. We can go with 9AA, 9AB, 9AC, 9BA, 9BB, 9BC. So the condition tables are extended. So here we have a limited condition tables in ECC. But in S4HANA, the limitation has exceeded. So we can have these many range of the condition tables which we can create. Here in Access numbers were 2 digits, whereas here in S4HANA we have 3 digits. The document and customer pricing procedure length is 1 digit. Here increased to 2 digit. So here in ECC there is no provision to post statistical conditions to accounting. Whereas in S4HANA we have new fields added in pricing procedure to post statistical conditions. Here we'll use the standard ATP Here we have advanced ATP check like GAT. In ACC, we have revenue recognition for all the contracts related, whereas in S4HANA, they come up with SAP revenue accounting and reporting. There is no WM here. They move to SAP EWM. For LE, they come up with TM. There is no SD credit management. They come up with FSCM credit management. SD rebate functionality is no more available. We have SAP settlement management. The foreign trade functionality in SD and MM, they move to GTS. So thank you. Please subscribe to the channel SAP SD Training by